English-Tagalog questions with answers. Do I look Filipino? Mukha ba akong Pilipino? It depends on your nationality. Depende iyon sa nasyonalidad mo. Most Asians have similarities. Karamihan sa mga Asyano ay may pagkakapareho. Do I look like him? Kamukha ko ba siya? I haven't seen him yet. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita. Does he looks like me? Kamukha niya ba ako? I think so. Sa tingin ko nga. Do they look alike? Magkamukha ba sila? Sort of. Parang ganoon nga. They look alike, right? Magkamukha sila, hindi ba? He looks like him. Siya ay kamukha niya. He looks like me. Kamukha niya ako. He wants to look like me. Gusto niyang maging kamukha ko. Is he your brother? Kapatid mo ba siya? He's my cousin. Pinsan ko siya. He looks like Steve. Kamukha siya ni Steve. Are they siblings? Magkapatid ba sila? Yes, she told me. Oo, sinabi niya sa akin. When did you meet them? Kailan mo sila nakilala? I met them yesterday. Nakilala ko sila kahapon. Did you meet her parents? Nakilala mo na ba ang mga magulang niya? Yes, I did. Oo, nakilala ko na. Is he good in English? Magaling ba siya sa Ingles? Not that much. Hindi masyado. Do you like her? Gusto mo ba siya? No, we're just friends. Hindi, magkaibigan lang kami. Do you think she will like me? Sa tingin mo magugustuhan niya ako? Probably, yes. Marahil, oo. Can we dance? Pwede ba tayong sumayaw? I'm not a good dancer. Hindi ako magaling sumayaw. Can you teach me? Pwede mo ba akong turuan? Sure, why not? Oo naman, bakit hindi? Am I good enough? Sapat na ba ako? You don't have to ask. Hindi mo na kailangang magtanong. That's all for today. For more videos, please do like, share, and then subscribe.